Empower your future, unraveling the blueprint to financial freedom. Picture this: what if I told you there was a single investment that could guarantee returns beyond your wildest dreams? A game changer that not only turbocharges your bank account but transforms your entire life. Intrigued? Stay tuned for a short video where we unravel the secret to financial freedom, a journey that begins with investing in the most valuable asset you'll ever own, yourself. In the next few minutes, we'll explore why investing in yourself is the ultimate key to unlocking financial freedom. From the power of continuous learning to the importance of personal development and building a strong network, we'll uncover actionable strategies to supercharge your success. Get ready to ignite your potential, break free from limitations, and embark on a journey to financial independence like never before. Don't miss out, your future self will thank you for it. In this video, we'll delve into 3 key pillars of self-investment: continuous learning, personal development, and building a strong network. We'll discuss practical tips and actionable insights to help you implement these strategies in your own life. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools you need to start investing in yourself and take meaningful steps towards financial freedom. So, let's dive in. Firstly, prioritize continuous learning. Seek out opportunities to expand your knowledge and expertise, whether through formal education, online courses, workshops, or self-study. By staying informed about industry trends and acquiring new skills, you enhance your value in the marketplace and increase your earning potential. Secondly, focus on personal development. Cultivate habits that promote physical and mental well-being, such as regular exercise, mindfulness practices, and lifelong learning. A healthy mind and body are essential assets that enable you to perform at your best and overcome challenges along the path to financial freedom. Thirdly, invest in building your network. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who share your goals and aspirations. Networking provides opportunities for collaboration, mentorship, and career advancement, ultimately expanding your sphere of influence and opening doors to new possibilities. Finally, don't underestimate the power of self-belief and resilience. The journey to financial freedom may have its ups and downs, but maintaining a positive mindset and persevering through obstacles are key ingredients for success. Believe in your abilities, stay adaptable, and never stop striving for improvement. In summary, while financial investments are important, investing in yourself is the foundation upon which true financial freedom is built. By continuously growing, evolving, and believing in yourself, you'll not only achieve your financial goals but also lead a fulfilling and purpose-driven life. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Please subscribe if you like this video,